It's time to get wild in the kitchen. I'm here with Chef Jim Kimberg from Crave Restaurants. And Chef Jim, it is deer hunting season. And what are we making today? I have a feeling it involves venison.
It does. I love this time of the year. So if you're like me, you got your deer harvested, you got it processed, you end up with a lot of ground venison, you ended up with some sausages.
A lot of deer sausage, I noticed.
I love the sausage too, but you're always thinking of different things to do with it. So today we're doing a venison flatbread with a bratwurst, the venison bratwurst.
That sounds delicious.
First step, we're gonna get the flatbread crust ready to roll. If you could do me a favor and just brush a little olive oil on there. Sure. Yeah, just nice thin little coating on that. Sprinkle a little bit of dried oregano on top of that.
Dried oregano.
So next comes the sauce.
The sauce. This is probably the most important ingredient, yes?
Look at that, you're a natural.
Time to slice the sausages.
Let's cut it up.
These are pre-cooked.
They are pre-cooked, yes. Yep. And we just finished them on the grill a little bit, give them a little bit more flavor. We are ready for assembly. So let's get some of that venison bratwurst on there.
Okay. Can't have too much sausage, can you?
I don't think so.
Apparently not when I make pizza. How's that?
That looks beautiful. Next step is the cheese. Let's get some cheese on top of that sausage.
And are we using Wisconsin cheese curds?
We are using Wisconsin cheese curds, of course.
Awesome.
So yeah, just kind of crumble them up a little bit and put them on top.
Now I'm noticing some other delicious ingredients here.
We've got some roasted red peppers, some roasted mushrooms, and then also some caramelized onions.
Love all three of those.
And then we have a special garnish today. We've got some crispy kale.
Ooh. Little roasted red pepper.
Looks great. And this is the most important part, so no pressure.
I'm a little nervous.
Carefully slide it into that oven.
This is how professional pizza makers do it. Uh-oh, we're losing ingredients, Jim. Now, how long do we cook our pizza in our wood-burning stove here?
Well, if you have a fancy stove like this at your home,
which I'm sure everybody does.
Burning it at about 500 degrees, it's gonna be about 6-7 minutes tops. All right, let's do this.
Not when you want to drop the pizza.
Don't drop the pizza.
Look at that.
We've got that crispy kale. It's going to make a beautiful garnish. It's going to add some
Delicious.
nutrition, a little texture.
Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste testing.
The tasting. Let's do it.
Once again, Jim, wildly delicious.
Thank you.
Perfect idea for holiday entertaining or maybe an afternoon of Sunday football. If you're looking for the recipe, venison sausage flatbread pizza, you can go to mnbound.com. So good.